Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We're heading south to Longmont, Colorado, Golden Ponds, for some milestones and some spring birding. Our Annie Van is getting ready for some big adventures this summer, and it's not about the destination, but who you travel with and the journey. Getting her ready. This is Longmont, Colorado, and we've got some new features for our old van, which make her fun to travel with. Definitely not an empty parking lot today. Golden Ponds used to be an old gravel pit, and it was donated to the city of Longmont by Vernon Golden. There's 2.6 miles of trails, and it's 94 acres with 56 acres of water surface and 4 ponds. Be sure to check out our last videos where we visited the Wet Mountains and the Bishop Castle near Westcliff, Colorado. Went to the Sangre de Cristos for a hike, saw a few new reservoirs, got 22 birds altogether, and we're almost at 200 birds for our big year. Then we headed to the Monte Vista area to Smith Reservoir and some of the wetlands in the area, Monte Vista National Wildlife Refuge and Russell Lakes. Southern Colorado has some excellent birding. And here we go. Okay, we're at Golden Ponds. We're gonna see what type of warblers we can find today. Quite a few have been spotted. The park has picnic tables, restrooms, and ADA accessible fishing, views of Long's Peak and Meeker. And with the St. Vrain River and all the ponds, it's great for birding too. And every time we get started, there are just tons of parking lot birds, including this house sparrow and house finches. We actually saw the brewer's sparrow down in southern Colorado and found 2 nesting in this tree today. It was nice to see the brewer's sparrow again. And yellow-rumped warblers, there's 2 subspecies, Audubons, which has the yellow throat, and the myrtles, which are white. They're both here. The myrtles is mostly from the east, and the Audubons is from the west. Double-crested cormorant. We did see the yellow-rumped warbler and American goldfinch. American white pelican. Right at the first pond at Golden Ponds. I don't know what was going on between the cormorant and the pelican, but they had quite a conversation. There's a cowbird right up in the top of that tree. And then all the cottonwood trees have new buds on them. Oh, and that chokecherry smells divine. I'm gonna head down here. It's really pretty. There's a trail over there with bike riders. There's the St. Vrain River. It's really flowing. I can hear a killdeer. Everything's greening up, and I'm so excited that all the flowers are coming out. These are first of the year for me, including many others. Those are chickweed mouse ears. And then over here, behind the bench, are some blue flax. There's some blue flax on the trail. It's pretty.
Bald eagle.
Oh, that's a bald eagle. Wow. I thought it was a Swainson's because it had that bib. Oh yeah, he's juvenile.
Yep.
Huh. Looking for fish. The pond's just on the other side. There's Dave up there. There's the teasel from last year. Ken Mickey's. Looking for the summer tanager or the plumeous vireo. Somebody also heard a warbling vireo, Wilson's warbler, and an orange crown warbler. So those are, we're looking for them. It's getting kind of late. Skydivers going up. There's planes everywhere. It's one of the busiest airports other than DIA in Colorado. There's a song sparrow right in there, singing away. And we just saw a spotted sandpiper right over in there. It's really exciting because not only are the birds coming out, so are the flowers, and these are first of the year for me. That flickweed was a new one. Please make sure you let me know if some of these flowers are mislabeled. I'm still learning. is our only new bird for the day, except we're heading home and we'll get some more surprises. Today's May the 4th be with you. May the force be with you. We still need warblers, but we did get 32 different bird species here at Golden Ponds in Longmont, Colorado. And we have to always stop at the Pump House Brewery and Restaurant. Delicious. Dave got his hamburger and I got something different. Yum. Okay, we had some milestones heading home in our backyard. And the hummingbirds are back. They're vying for position, kicking everybody else out of the yard, and hogging the feeders. And the lazuli buntings, and often the indigo buntings come to our yard. So we have 98, 99, and the western tanager, yay, 200. We met our 200th bird for the year, and we still have a lot of time left to get more. Our next stop is Jackson Lake State Park. And then we're going on quite a big journey this summer with our Annie van and hopefully some new life birds up north. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and hello to the new subscribers. We appreciate the likes and comments, and until next time, happy trails to you.